Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Umuwi lang kami para magkape.
May susundo sa bata.
Tapos, susunduin na namin si Adriel sa school. Para makatipid sa bahay magkape. Diba? Ayan. Kape tayo. Ang oras is 3:36. So, 5:30 alis kami dito para sunduin si Adrian. So, yun guys. Sunduin na namin si Adriel guys. Pero before pumunta doon, lakad-lakad muna kami dito. Guys! Alas 4 na. Yeah, thank you so much for
Okay. Did that?
We got, let's go na.
Take away.
What is that?
Eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
And Bravo! Tags. Yeah! What? Ayan pa. Swat. Yeah, mommy. Yeah, usap ka. Let's go, come on.
Thank you, Dada.
Welcome. So thank you, mama.
Thank you, Mama. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, sabi. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it a big car?
Halika, let's go, come on. Sa bahay mo. Big robot? Yeah, robot. Yes, you're welcome.
Hi.
Yes, it's Mama by the toys. Say thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Kiss Mama.
Where's my hug?
Kiss Mama.
Oh, yung sipon. Sipon.
Tagal natin ito. Ano, 1 pound. 1.99. It's 2 pounds.
What's your school? What did you do?
What did you do in your school? What did you do? What did you do?
What did you do at school? Did you dance? Did you dance?
Dance? Sabi ng teacher.
Did you dance, Labs?
Yeah.
Did you dance?
Nag-dance ikaw?
Ah?
Ikaw, paano yung dance mo sa school? Paano yung dance?
Paano dance?
Kira, paano yung dance? Nag-ikot-ikot pa?
In the school?
Oh.
Wow.
Baby. She done ulit.
Yeah. Gawa tayo ng trucks. Tulagin natin itong mga patches. Mga metal to eh. Tatagal to.
Thank you, Mama.
Yeah.
Welcome, baby. What do you say to, not just to Mama and Dada, who will you say thank you?
Thank you, Jesus.
Jesus.
Bye-bye, Tiger.
Tiger. Smile, look at me. Look at the camera. Baba mo yan. Dito.